Morning student, this video for class 12 students. We are going to start the next exercise 13b. The required standard integrals which we will use in this exercise is, this is the first one, integration of 1 upon ax plus b. If this form is given, the formula is not available for this form, so directly you can write 1 upon a log of ax plus b plus c. If e raised to the power ax plus b dx it is given, then the answer is e raised to the power ax plus b upon a plus c. If integration of 1 upon under root of a square minus x square dx is given, it is equal to sine inverse x upon a plus c. Integration of 1 upon a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. Fifth, integration of dx upon x under root x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon a sec inverse x upon a plus c. So these five formulas you have to remember for this exercise. So let us start the exercise by taking the hint from these five formulae. The first question from this exercise, it is integration of x square minus 1 whole square upon x cube dx. So here I applied the formula of a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This formula I applied here upon x cube. Now separately I have written x4 upon x cube, 1 upon x cube and minus 2x square upon x cube. By cancelling out x cube from here, you are going to get x. This we can write like this, and this after simplification will give the result 2 upon x. So we have to find the integration of this part and this part separately. So integration of x is x square upon 2. So that I have written x square upon 2. Integration of x की power minus 3, it will give the result minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1. Here 2 is common, so integration of 1 upon x is log x. So it is 2 log x plus c. So this is your final answer. So this I have written minus 1 upon 2 x square. So note down this part. This is question number 1 from exercise number 13b. Now here x plus 1 upon, this is question number 2nd. Question number 2nd, x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 dx. So here I applied the formula of a square minus b square. So it gives two factors, x plus 1, x minus 1. X plus 1 is cancelled out. So 1 upon x minus 1 will remain here. So integration of 1 upon log x, 1 upon x minus 1 will give the result log of x minus 1. The coefficient of x is here 1. So no need to write anything else in denominator. So log of x minus 1 plus c is the answer for this particular question. Now question number 3, integration of e raised to the power minus x dx. This can be written as directly e raised to the power minus x upon minus 1 because coefficient of x is minus 1. So that's why I've written minus 1 here plus c. So this is the answer. So you note down question number 2 and question number 3 from here. Question number 4, e raised to the power 3x dx. It will be given e की power 3x upon 3 plus c. So this is the answer, direct answer. Question number 5, a raised to the power 2x. Now here a raised to the power 2x. So we will use the formula a की power x, that is a raised to the power 2x upon log a, and by chain rule, so method of substitution, or we can say direct formula, we have the coefficient of x we have to write in denominator, that is 1 upon 2 plus c. So the final answer is a raised to the power 2x upon 2 log a plus c. Now look at this question, question number 6, e raised to the power 3a, and in power it is given log base ex plus e raised to the power 3x log base ea dx. So we have to integrate this part. For this we have to show some simplification part. This 3a we can write like this, log of base e x raised to the power 3a. Here also the same thing, e raised to the power log base e a raised to the power 3x dx. After that we know from log e raised to the power log of a, if it is anywhere, so it will give the result a. This is from log. This we know. So according to this rule, So x raised to the power 3a plus a power 3x dx. Now sixth question, e raised to the power 3a, this part. So here you see I use this formula, okay, for simplification of this part. For simplification of this part, I'm going to use this formula of log. So here we are going to get x raised to the power 3a plus a raised to the power 3x dx. So this integration we can write x raised to the power 3a plus 1 upon 3a plus 1. Integration of this part is a raised to the power 3x upon 3 log a plus c. So this is the answer of this sixth question. So student, total we have 20 questions in this exercise. 6 questions I solved. So I am expecting that you will practice the remaining questions and the problem you will ask to me. So I am giving the homework part I am going to give in your WhatsApp group. So please do it regularly. Thank you very much.